those of you who have a light bar and you have that just nasty noise, you're driving on the road and it's just that loud whistle. Basically, it's the air getting up between the fins and vibrating. There's a bunch of ways that you can resolve the issue. Some cost more than others. For me, this is probably the easiest, less expensive method to use. It's really simple, and it's a little bit redneck, and I like redneck for some things. I think this is one of them. And the solution is a roll of tape. Black duct tape or Gorilla tape, whatever we got. I have this 3M stuff. It's not the best. I prefer, got a little Gus here looking at my hand. Gross. I prefer Gorilla tape, but this is all I had at the moment. I didn't want to have to go buy another roll. The only issue with this is that every once in a while you have to replace it. Some of the other solutions are more permanent, but this actually works fairly well. So as you can see, I've got some of it taped down on here already, but we've had rain and lately, so I might just have to redo it. It usually stays on for a while. I've had really good luck with it, but I'm just gonna throw some more tape on there and call it good. It's not the best taping job I've ever done, but this method actually works surprisingly well. And you tape up all those fins so they don't vibrate, get air in between there. The air kind of runs up the windshield up through here and just makes that nasty noise. And so now you just want to get your light bar positioned and tightened up. Alright, it's all taped up, back normal. No one will be none the wiser that you've taped up your light bar on the back. So, super easy, super cheap, gets rid of that wind noise that nobody likes. Thanks for watching Blaine's World. Please subscribe.